There's a hotel in Jamaica where you can literally swim in water that glows electric blue, like something out of a fantasy movie. And no, I'm not talking about some fancy filter or special effects. This is 100% real, and you're about to see it with your own eyes. I'm at the Glistening Waters Hotel in Falmouth, Trelawney, and this place is keeping one of nature's wildest secrets. Sure, the rooms could use a little updating. But who cares when you've got front row seats to one of the most magical natural phenomena on the planet? The property is super clean with these gorgeous sea views that'll make you forget all your stress. This is where they do the Luminous Lagoon tours. But the tours are at 7 p.m. or whenever it gets dark. So they usually have events here. They've had a few since I've been here. And this is the parking lot. This is the lobby, reception area. And then my room is 209. The staff, absolute gems. They treated me like family from the second I walked in, and they even let me check in early. That's real island hospitality right there. Breakfast is included, and you're sitting at the restaurant eating authentic Jamaican food while overlooking the lagoon. The restaurant serves American and Jamaican cuisine and opens daily from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. fresh seafood, amazing views, and good vibes all around. The bar opens daily from 11 a.m. until 10 p.m. But here's where things get absolutely wild. The Luminous Lagoon Tour. When you stay at this hotel, you get this mind-blowing experience for free. And if you're loving this so far, go ahead and gently tap that like button. Trust me, you'll want to remember where you heard about this place.
Welcome to Glistening Water, Luminous Lagoon, where we are in the bay now. And I'm Captain Jerry, and I'm the only Jerry on the planet of Jamaica. I am the first person who started this tour. We're gonna go along, you will see what you're here to see. What I'm gonna do, put your hand in the water for yourself and check it out. Put your hand in and check it out. Whoa. Put your hand in, check it out.
So I jumped into the water, and suddenly every single movement I made created this bright electric blue light all around me. It was like swimming through liquid stars, and when the boat speeds up, the wake behind it lights up like someone turned on blue neon lights underwater. This isn't Photoshop. This isn't a filter. This is nature showing off, and it's absolutely insane. The photos are beautiful, but they don't even capture half the magic. You have to experience this in person to understand how surreal it feels. The hotel's location is perfect too, right in Falmouth, close to everything you need, and perfectly positioned between Montego Bay and Ocho Rios. Look, if you need a brand new resort with all the bells and whistles, this might not be your spot. But if you want authentic experiences, this is absolutely where you need to be. This is what I love about Jamaica's hidden gems. It's not about the fanciest accommodations or the most expensive tours. It's about finding those magical places where nature does something so incredible, so mind-blowing, that everything else just fades away. And swimming in that glowing water, that's a once-in-a-lifetime moment that'll stick with you forever. So here's my challenge. Stop dreaming and start experiencing. Book a night at Glistening Waters Hotel. Jump into that glowing blue water and feel what it's like to be surrounded by pure magic. Before you go, if this video made you want to pack your bags right now, show some love and hit that like button. Drop a comment below. Have you seen bioluminescence before? Where should we explore next? We're always hunting for Jamaica's best-kept secrets. Subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss an adventure. And for more insider tips and good vibes, subscribe to our newsletter. The link's down below.